A passionate plea has been made to Georgia's Insurance Commissioner John King by a dedicated group of around 50 mental health advocates and state legislators. They've hand-delivered hundreds of heartfelt letters to his office, imploring him to compel health insurance firms to treat mental health with the same respect and coverage as physical health issues. This move amplifies recent criticisms against King for not vigorously enforcing a 2022 legislation mandating parity in coverage or adequately informing the advocates are seeking guarantees for healthcare providers who dare to challenge insurance companies, ensuring they won't face retaliatory actions. Moreover, they're determined to see that the levied fines on insurers have a tangible impact, rather than becoming a mere annual expense. Jeff Breedlove, a lobbyist for the Georgia Council for Recovery, voices concerns over insurance giants potentially normalizing the payment of fines instead of adhering to the law. To a large insurance company, $1 million might seem insignificant, he argues, but to a hard-working Georgian family, it's everything. State Representative Mary Margaret Oliver, a Democrat from Decatur and co-sponsor of the 2022 bill, plans to revisit the fines imposed on insurers for non-compliance, which currently range from $2,000 to $5,000 per infraction. An additional bill aimed at reinforcing the mental health law through the establishment of a committee to scrutinize insurance company reports enjoyed overwhelming support in the State House but faltered in the Senate. When I return for the 2026 legislative session, Oliver pledges, "This will be a primary focus of mine." King's office has cataloged 6,000 infractions from the 22 insurers, encompassing inconsistencies in benefit application and unwarranted pre-approval requirements for treatments that didn't necessitate such authorization. Bryce Rawson, a spokesperson for King, notes that the identities of the 22 offending companies cannot be revealed until legal documentation is finalized and receives approval from the department's legal team. No clear timeline has been provided for this process's conclusion. The mental health champions also sought a meeting with King to explore collaborative efforts in executing the 2022 law. However, they were informed that King was unavailable. Rawson assures that the office will reply to each letter accompanied by a return address. In essence, what we're demanding is simple, asserts Jones. We expect our insurance companies, our insurance commissioner, and all those accountable under the 2022 law to simply abide by it. It's time to act.